Hey, what's up guys, Down JC back, and I'm going to be giving you a video showing you how to install and use the Dolphin, Nintendo GameCube, and Wii emulator. As well, at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how the gameplay looks and how to fix any problems you might have with it. So first thing you want to do is open up your browser and then go to dolphin-emulator.com, and then on their homepage you'll find the download button. Click on that. Find your operating system and always get the download link from the top. I have a 64-bit system. You might have 32-bit. According to what your system is, you're going to download that. So I'm going to download this. To find out what type of system you have, go to your start button, click on computer, right click in the white space, properties, and then under system type you'll see I have a 64-bit operating system. Okay, now that that's done, what you want to do is drag to your desktop. The other thing you'll need is WinRAR in order to open the file. So you can get WinRAR by going to rarlab.com. As you can see up here, there will be links for everything in the description, so just look there. And the way you get WinRAR is go to downloads once you're at rarlab.com, and under localized WinRAR versions, look for your language. For example, I have English. I'm gonna look for English, which is right here, and then download according to your system type. The third thing you'll need is the game. You can get the game. I'll leave a link in the description on where to get the Super Mario Bros. Wii game. It downloads extremely fast and it is pretty safe because I have it and my computer isn't a virus house right now. So what you want to do is get your Dolphin WinRAR package and put it in the Dolphin folder. Right click, left click, right click, extract here. Once that's all done, you can leave this folder in here if you choose, or just delete it. I leave it in here in case something goes wrong and I need to reinstall it. Open up this little blue icon and your program's done. Before I show you how to put games in here and use it, I'm going to show you how to set up Wii controllers or GameCube pads. So first thing you want to do is, if you have a Wii remote or a USB controller or an Xbox controller or even a PlayStation 3 controller that can connect to your laptop or computer, whatever you're using, you click on Wii Remote, and then what you want to do is, if you have a Wii Remote and you have a Bluetooth on your computer, you want to click on this and then go to Real Remote. Now if you have a Bluetooth on your computer, what you want to do is turn it on now and then click on pair up. At this time you'll want to be tapping the 1 and 2 buttons on your Wii remote simultaneously and it will connect. Keep in mind you might have to do this 1 or 2 times for it to work properly. In our case, we're going to be using an emulated Wii remote. To set up your controls, you want to click on Wii remote, make sure this is on emulated Wii remote, and click on configure. Here's your default, as your mouse being the infrared pointer, up, down, left, and right being the D-pad, and click 1 and 2 being shake, as well as button 1, 1, button 2, 2, A, click 0, and B, click 1. So now that this is good, you can set it up any way you want. I'm just going to leave it like this for the purpose of the video. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get your games in the emulator. There's 2 ways of doing this. Simply clicking on open and then finding your game. My game's right here. Open. You could double click on your game ISO or WBFS file. There's also another way of doing this, which is, I think, is much easier. Click on browse and then find your game file. Mine is here. And then click OK. There you go. Every time you open and close the emulator, your game's gonna be here. This is the new Super Mario Bros. Just to show you guys, it will be here. I'm just gonna close the emulator and open it again to show you. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm going to be showing you guys some gameplay on the emulator. As you can see, it works perfectly fine, and this is able to save, and you can pick up from where you left off in the start. Depending on how good your computer is, your game can be laggy or not. There are a lot of videos out there that explain how to get less lag, or you know, things you can do to up the FPS. Right now my FPS isn't the greatest because I'm recording and doing this at the same time. So now that you guys see how this is working, I'm just gonna minimize that. You might hear the game in the background. But meanwhile, while that's doing that, I'm going to show you guys how to get some fixes. If you ever have a problem with your emulator, what you want to do is come to the Dolphin website, and on the home page, you should go to the top and click on support. Now this is a written way of connecting your USB, your Bluetooth to your Wii remote and nunchucks to your computer. You will need a sensor bar if you want to work on the IR remote, but IR sensor. But I've heard of people using candles and making their own, so there are ways. Just YouTube search it. Now there is a support page which I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so if you ever have any messages or error fax, what you want to do is come to this fax tab, and then it will show you all the frequently asked questions, and this is one of the best ways you can help yourself. So I know that these are the two most common. I got these when I first installed the emulator. One is DirectX, so all you need to do is just click on here, it'll bring you here. And another one was a video driver that I was missing. So all you guys, if you guys are ever missing, it will actually show you these error messages when it starts up. It actually won't let you start it until you get DirectX. So just come over here to the fax page and then search for what you need. I hope this video was help, and now I'm going to be showing some gameplay of Dolphin. Here we go. In general, I was really satisfied with the gameplay of this emulator. I downloaded another game called, whoops, click. Oh, I guess that is my jump button. Oh, I downloaded another game, and I connected a USB controller to it, and it was a really good, it was a really fun time playing. So at the end of this video, I just want to say, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. It is your choice. I ask you to subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more help and videos on how to get cool stuff. So thanks.